So it's time for some more braids. I already cleaned my hair and I've already pre-parted my hair. So it was just 2 sections, really simple. Just took down my last braids, ready for some more. This is probably my last braiding tutorial for the summer, since summer's coming to an end. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the different styles I did with just braiding that, you know, last throughout the summer. So products I'm using, always the hair. This is the same hair that I normally use. And I don't remember what hair I got because I bought this a while ago while I was on film. Well, during tax-free weekend. So I got 4 packs of hair. Oh, okay, so this is the one with color. Just to do something different. I'm only gonna add some with color. And that's the brand that I always get for my braid. And it's the pre-stretched hair, so you don't have to worry about trying to stretch it and everything. And that color is SM4, 613, and then the rest of the hair I got is 4s. And then also, I've always used the Shine Down for parting definition. And the edge booster for my edges. This is the purple one, which smells like grape, of course. And hair clips, I use 1 of the 2 or sometimes both. Hair clips. And a comb. And I use a rat tail again for parting. So I'm just gonna show y'all the part and we're gonna hop right into the video. So that's what we're working with. Watch this video. I want to do some braids off camera just so I can, you know, it's repetitive, and then I'll come back and do some and show y'all what the next section, what you know, should do with the next section. So continue to watch this video.
Strawberries, chocolate, baby boy, it's on. Now tell me, can you picture my body on the coast? Baby, come lay your body right here, I wanna ride it.
Alright y'all, so I finished the back part and my sides, and it's simple. I showed y'all the part in part 2. So this is what we're working with. And then these braids are just gonna come this way, of course. So of course I oiled my hair and I cut it to about 3 inches. Because in the last video it was way longer, but I was getting frustrated. Oh, and if y'all see me looking over there, I'm just looking at my self on the monitor. So I'm about to do this section, and we done. I really like this blonde as well. I might do one day, might do it going up into one of those buns that you have. I don't know. With my head big, I'm trying to cover up some forehead instead of pulling it back. Yeah, so I'm about to do some. And I lost my comb. Okay, here it is. Alright, so let's put this on here since it's already on here. Alright, I'm back. So, define the parts. I'll start off with a very small piece to start off the braid. This is something I do for my hair because my hair is super soft. 3 sections. So where I can see it really good. And where I can see what I'm doing. Cause I gotta make sure the front is super good. Parts that I can cover, I don't be too concerned about. And you're adding in 6 pieces of hair. And they gradually get bigger. I braid it down once and add in another piece. Braid it down once. Add in another piece. Simple. And I do the under braid method. Well, not the under braid method, but I add the hair in under the braid. So I grab it with my index finger, my pointing finger, and that holds it while I braid it. Simple. Now you can just finish braiding it down. And that's it, guys. Simple. Make sure once I braid it down some, check it, make sure the part is straight, no extra hairs in there, and then I'm good to go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish braiding. Well, I'll do one more for y'all. I'll do one more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get back to braiding off camera because I can go faster if I'm standing up, and I gotta sit down if I'm recording. Okay. Once I get it to the front, just pull it in front of me. Oh, y'all, I'm tired. And I got a big head. And once I get it near my mouth, for me, I'm doing my own here. I just take it, flip it. I put a little right there on the braid to help seal it until I dip it. I didn't do all of them like that, but it does help. Alright, so we got that braid out the way. We're about to go ahead and knock the rest of these out. So I'm going to do one more for y'all. So I need to stand up. Get it done faster. So I don't like that part. I'm gonna go back and fix it. Put some shine down to define it. And if you gotta go back and fix it, that's the best time to do it. After you apply the shine down. Going both directions, just a little bit going the direction of the braid you're going to use. Make sure that purse fit. Just a little piece right there. See if I can get that. There. Got it. These are my favorite clips for this type of hairstyle. Alright, so I got this. I'm going to use regular color, or do I want to do another blonde? Let's do another blonde. I got the one. Take a small piece off of that. The start of the braid. I'm just gonna move this over here because it's in the way. All right. Take a third. You can even do half if you want. Split the thicker section of the two in half and make sure you got the hair blended. And I hold it like that. Get a really small piece from the start of the braid. Use that. Start adding in. Under, grab it, then I flip it over. I have to do that for this on myself. Get another piece. Flip through your finger. I feel the braid as I go to make sure it actually feels like a braid if I can't see it. Then I have 2 pieces left, so I'm gonna braid it down twice this time. And then add a piece because this braid has a little more space to braid. And the last piece. Bring that baby down. So before I start braiding it down real good, I just check it and make sure the braid is good. How I like it. Then braid it. So yep, that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and add these last few braids in before it's time for me to start work. And I'll add some pictures, of course. Let me know what else y'all want to see. Got some things I need to do, make, for y'all to see. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
And save the video, and so check the description box, and I will press on the green button and see subscribe.
Good job.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.